He pū ki ngā rau tēnei uri o ngai tūhoi mō ngā mahi pūoro tautito.
Oh, I don't really have a secret. I just like to go online and search up some cool songs that I can play, and then I play them and I get good at them, and then, yeah.
Kua roa nei a Aarama Olsen e pūrei ana I te rakuraku. Wai hoki, koia rā te pōtiki o te kāhui Ngā Reo Tīoriori. Ko tā Olsen, I ahu mai ona pūkenga mai I tōna tipuranga I te ao Māori.
So when I was younger, I would always go to Kapaka Wānanga with my parents, and I was always around guitar, and when I was sitting down listening to them, I could always hear my Uncle Poharima play the guitar, and I just took on music from that. So one day, Lisa asked me if I could do a karakia of one of their songs. So I said, yeah, I'll do that. And when I was listening to them play, I thought they sounded really good. And Lisa asked me if I could bring my guitar next time. And when I did, she then asked me if I could play in the band, and I was like, yeah, sounds nice.
Ko tā te pāpa o Olsen, a Phil Burrell, nā runga I tōna kore mōhio ki te ao pūoro, I tūmike katoa ana I tāna whai I tēnei huarahi.
He kind of took himself in that direction. I'm not musical. Can barely hold a note. And, you know, Steph's not super musical, like she can sing. And obviously we did haka and we've performed. But music's kind of his thing, and I think for him, like, we love it because he will happily take himself into the room, plug his amp in and just jam, and we're sitting there and there's Hendrix blasting out of his room, or you can hear it a block away sometimes. His amps are pretty loud.
E ai ki te kaiwaiata matua a te Kurawhiti Hitchens, he kaha no te pēne ki te tautoko, ki roto, ki waho hoki o te taupuni mahi.
There's lots of special things about having Aarama in the band, but I think having that like intergenerational level within, we call it a whānau band, is really important to us. And Aarama has such a beautiful ngāwari āhua, and ever since he joined us, he just made friends with the band real quick and fit in. It's been really special seeing his connection with his Uncle Poharima and with Lisa as well.
Me te mea hoki, ka kōmutu tonu a Olsen ki te maria me ona pukenga pūoro.
My friend Ira has watched me play the guitar before, and he reckons that he can't believe that a 13-year-old can play Jimi Hendrix.
Ko te tūmanako, ka whakatū te rōpū he konohete mo te hāpuri Māori. A tāre ana te wā, ka kite tēnei kai rakuraku ki te whatārangi nui. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.